And honestly, I could already tell y'all that this is gonna be my favorite phone.
When I first picked up the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, I thought, whoa, hats off to the design team.
The aesthetic with the matte bezels and satin finish on the back, it just screams premium.
The back of this feels like satin. Alright, it's soft, matte, no fingerprints on this one. This mystic bronze color is so dope.
A huge 6.9-inch 1440p 120 hertz AMOLED display.
The Note 20 Ultra is gonna have that sweet 120 hertz refresh rate that I'm feeling like should be standard across all phones now in 2020.
And it means that the screen can refresh anywhere from 1 to 120 times per second.
You have the main camera suite you'd expect with the standard, ultra-wide, and telephoto.
8K videos. I ain't got one either, but who cares though? I can record in 8K if I want to.
You can zoom in up to 50 times, up to 30 times, and Samsung does a pretty good job at, making sure your subject stays in place, and it tries to clean up the image nicely.
And this year, the S Pen makes one particularly huge leap forward, and that's in latency.
The Bluetooth S Pen is the best feature on any cellular device.
And that's always been Samsung's big thing with the Note series. These are geared towards professionals, people who take productivity very, very seriously.
The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G is a major go.